All right, everybody, we made it to day 2. And Alfie, you joined us for the last second of day 1 and so he wanted to introduce you to day 2 of our 7-day challenge. 7 moves in 7 minutes. And today we're doing full body, which is Alfie's favorite. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so we got our 7 moves today. Alfie, you're going to show us what they are. You're going to take a nice little seat there for me. All right, we got the time on the clock. First exercise that we are going to do is we're going to take it into a reverse lunge. So you're going to lift that chest up nice and high. You're going to sneeze and you're going to take it all the way down and then lift up. So we have got 7 minutes, just like we did in our very first round. So if you are joining me for day number 2, you're going to put a number 2 in the comments, okay? And we're going to keep on doing this to hold ourselves accountable. And maybe put in the comments as well what your favorite move is from our full body 7-minute challenge today. So keep that chest lifted up. We're going to take it through 7 moves that are going to crush your whole body and get you feeling the burn. All right, lift that chest up. Let's take it down. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to take it all the way down to the ground. You're going to take it into a high plank, so pull that belly button in towards the spine, push the hands down into the ground. You're going to push those hips up and you're going to touch the opposite toe. Here we go, or just your ankles. If you can manage to get your toe, well, that's pretty impressive, all right? So push down into those hands and then lift up. You want to spread those fingers nice and wide onto the mat to help you with that stability. And here we go. Come on, everybody, halfway. It's just 7 minutes of exercise that you're going to add at the end of your workout, okay? Or you're just going to do this 7-minute challenge. If you're new to exercise, this is a great way to get started. Lift up and gently release all the way down. Shake out those hands and we're going to take it into some single leg drops. So now we're going to work that core. How are your abs feeling from yesterday? We're going to take it into single leg drops, so just one at a time. Relax those shoulders on the ground, relax the head, no tension in the neck. You don't want to lift up right here. All you want to do is just relax and take it down one at a time. All right, so we have already crushed a little bit of upper body. Yes, we've got those lunges in to support the lower body. We're doing some abs. And next up, we're going to crack on to the next part. So lift those legs up nice and high, tuck those hips underneath, really pull that belly button in towards the spine for 3, 2, 1, and release. Now push those knees out to the side and you're going to push the heels down and we're going to take it into some bridges to work those glutes. So lift up and down. So modified version, you can take a quick little rest. If you want to just push yourself, come on guys, we've just got 7 minutes. All you're going to do is you're going to keep those hips off the ground and you're going to go up and down. That's it. So push those heels into the ground. If you want to make it even more challenging, lift those toes up. Oh yes, you're going to start to feel it on the inside of your thighs as well and the backs of your legs. So push down, lift that chest, and 3. Come on, you've got this. 2 and 1. Hold at the top. Breathe. And relax all the way down, gently roll up and take it into your tricep dips, okay? So hands are going to be directly underneath here. You're going to lift up, we're going to do a little tricep dip and then we're going to tap from side to side. So use that core to support your balance, push all the way down and tap over to the other side. Here we go, everybody. You're looking good, you're looking so strong. We are engaged, we've got this, we've got 2 exercises after this and then boom, we're going to take it all the way through, back from the beginning. This first time, it's just a little practice. Squeeze those elbows, push up, and we've got 10 seconds left to go here. Squeeze those elbows in towards your waist. Now make sure that you're not moving your hips, you're just using your arms, and lift and gently release down. We're going to take it over onto your front. And so all you're going to do is you're going to extend those arms out. We're going to take it into some Superman. So lift up and then squeeze in. Here we go. So up and just look straight down. Bring those elbows in towards your waist. Squeeze those feet nice and close together. Squeeze those thighs, looking straight down at the mat. That's it. Nice, long, elongated neck and bringing those elbows in towards you. Now lift that chest up a little bit more. Squeeze those glutes and keep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Come on, you've got this. One more exercise to go and then we are going to take it into round number 2. Lift up and release. Come all the way up to standing. We're going to take it into a squat with an overhead press, so you don't need any weights for this challenge too. So we're going to take it down into a squat and then extend those arms up. That's it. So elbows out to the side and then tucking those hips underneath all the way through. Inhale through your nose, exhale out. Get yourself fired up. Come on guys, who feels better after you've done one of these workouts? Who just feels more alive? Who feels they have more energy? Yes, this is what we are doing today, is we are going to create that energy within inside of us so we can give it out back to the world, back to this incredible community. Here we go, lift up and breathe, pushing those knees out to the side. Really press down into those heels. Give me one more and squeeze. Okay, we're gonna take it back to the top into those reverse lunges. Take a quick breath in, inhale through your nose. Smile because you're still here, and we're gonna crush this together all the way back into those reverse lunges. Then we're gonna take it into those plank toe taps. And guys, guess what? You're gonna finish this. All you have to do to get results is keep on showing up. And it's in those times where you don't wanna show up that you have to show up just a little bit more, all right? Because that's where we grow, and that's where we're gonna get those results. Now keep that chest up nice and high. Hips are gonna be facing straight to the edges of your mat. And here we go for 3, 2, 1, and tucking those hips underneath, get that full range of motion. You're gonna come all the way down to the ground, push down into those hands, and we're gonna take it into those little toe taps. So we're also getting that heart rate up as well, because remember that we burn calories during the workout. We burn more calories when we're doing cardio, okay? But we actually burn calories after, throughout the rest of the day when we're doing strength training. So adding in a little bit of cardio and strength training is gonna be fantastic for our overall fitness, right? Because we wanna improve our heart, and we also wanna get nice, strong muscles to protect those bones. Here we go. Tap, little tap. 3, 2, 1, and release down. Shake out those hands. We're gonna take it into a single leg drop. So working that core all the way down to the ground. Shoot those legs up, and let's take it one at a time. So if any time you feel that your back is coming off the ground, this is a big no-no, okay? What we wanna do here is we just don't wanna drop our legs as low. And you'll see people sometimes in class, or they're doing ab exercises and they're doing flutter kicks, and it's all low to the ground, and you're like, oh, I wish I could do that. And then you don't have any abs. And what's happening is they're actually bringing their back up off the ground. So that's not what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna take the leg as low as we can. 3, 2, 1, and release. Bringing those heels down onto the ground now. Remember, we're gonna tuck those hips underneath. We're gonna push all the way up. We're gonna take it halfway down, and then we're going to lift. If you wanna make it more challenging, bring those toes up. Okay, come on everybody. We've got 3 exercises left to go, and then you are done with day 2. Oh my goodness, it's gonna feel so good once we are completed. There's something about finishing the challenge. There's something about getting through 7 days where we've shown up every single day for ourselves. Now push down into those heels, squeeze those glutes, and breathe through it. All right, come on, you can do this. You are in control. All we have to do is keep saying, I can do a couple more reps. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're gonna take it into those little tricep dips with the tap as well. So make sure, first of all, your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. You're gonna come all the way up, you're gonna go down, and then you're gonna tap from side to side. Lift that chest up, bring those elbows in towards your waist, and then push down onto your hands. Here we go. You're looking good, everybody. We've got 2 exercises left, and that's like 60 seconds, nothing at all. You guys scroll on Instagram for more than 60 seconds. Why are you just sitting on the toilet? So why don't you at least just join me right here and get a workout in, feel good, boost your metabolism, increase your energy, and have a smile on your face at the end. And release. Okay, we're gonna take it all the way down. We're gonna take it into those Supermans. So bring those elbows nice and squeezed in towards your waist. Shoot those arms in front. Squeeze those glutes together, and let's lift up through the chest. Now take a nice breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. That's it. Now use the shoulder blades. Remember, don't think about using your elbows to bring yourself in. You want to think about using the shoulders, because that's what we're trying to work, right? We're not trying to get nice toned elbows. We want to get toned shoulders and back. So lift that chest up. 10 seconds left to go here. We're going to take into our final exercise. So here we go. Breathe through it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Come all the way up to standing. And we're gonna take it into the very last exercise. We're gonna take it down, and we're gonna push over top of our head. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So down and extend, that's it. Push those knees out to the side, tucking those hips underneath, and breathe through it. Every single rep you are doing right now. It's the finale. Lift those toes up if you want to make it a little bit more challenging. Really sink lower down into the ground, and then punch those hands up to the sky. That's it, elbows out. The last 10 seconds, you can do this. Come on, day number 2. We're gonna get ourselves psyched up for day number 3. Oh yes, we're gonna do everybody's favorite tomorrow, and release. Oh my goodness, day 2 is done of your 7-day, 7-minute, 7-move challenge. Boom, that is a tongue twister. But guys, tomorrow it is glutes. So get ready to feel that burn, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Keep it going. That's it. Shoot those legs up a little bit higher to the sky. Breathe through it and inhale for 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1.